I'm gonna do my nails with the 1000 Nails kit. Here are some soft gel tips. It comes with a primer, a bonder, gel glue, and a remover, a little LED lamp. I'm gonna switch them over because they're a little too long. I like the medium length. I'm gonna prep my cuticles right here. Prepping my cuticles right over here. Making sure the cuticle's done. I'm gonna buff my nails with the file that it comes with, and now I'm gonna prime and dehydrate. So I use the bonder, then I use the primer. Right here I'm sizing with the tips that I need. I'm gonna apply a thin layer of gel glue, and I'm gonna cure it in the lamp. Now I'm gonna apply a little gel glue to the tip, and then apply it at a 45-degree angle and cure it in the lamp for 15 seconds. Once all the fingers are done, I'm gonna buff them all out, ready for some gel polish. Here's what they look like buffed out.